they're looking towards Deutsche Bank as a European bank for a number of different things. So it could be our understanding of European policies and therefore, how we might be able to support them. It could be that they want to, because of de-risking, if I'm in Taiwan or I'm in China, I might want to de-risk by setting up manufacturing in Europe. So we therefore can introduce them to local governments, we can introduce them to local policymakers, we can give them clear direction about what's happening into the European market, definitely, if not other markets in Asia Pacific. So it's not just, the banking relationship these days is not just about, here's the capital, please go build, but we can also, open up doors for them with policymakers, with governments, and introduce them to local decision makers, which will be important to their business going forward. So a much broader relationship with our clients into those markets. And I think, as one of the key European banks, then we can open up Europe for our Asian clients going into Europe. And de-risking these days is, it's no longer good enough to manufacture everything in China. The geopolitical situation will mean that manufacturing will have to happen into markets in Europe and the US, and we can help them with that. So we've seen a lot of ECA type financing, so structured trade export financing transactions. So definitely European governments encouraging the Chinese companies to come and set up, whether that be on the EV side, whether that be the battery side, in order to support jobs into their local market. So definitely ECA has become a much more, I'm going to say a bazooka that governments have used to encourage, manufacturing being set up in their local markets. And we talked about from the beginning that geopolitics, that maybe that sort of working class felt like they got left out from globalization of the last 40, 50, 60 years. So that this is almost a reverse of that governments are now using ECAs in order to encouraging manufacturing to be set up in their countries so that they can bring jobs back to their market. So definitely a lot more ECA financing to encourage companies into those markets.